Hey everybody, today we're going to make you a great holiday drink. It's a mistletoe margarita. So we're going to start off this with 1.25 cups of OJ. This is no pulp. Then you're going to add 1.25 cups of cranberry juice. We just happen to be using the diet cranberry. You can use regular if you so choose. Again, another 1.25 cups of this. Then we're going to add 1 cup of silver tequila. You can pick your brand, whatever you choose. We're going in with 1 cup of this. Be a great punch for adult parties. You can make it up in large batches. So from here, we're going to add 1/2 cup of maraschino cherries along with the juice. Mainly you want to get the juice out of this. I'm going to pick a couple of these cherries out of here and throw in there. And then we're going to add the juice of 1 lemon. And then we're going to go in with 1 cup of Squirt, or you could use 7-Up if you wish. This is just going to add some carbonation to the drink. Some really good citrus flavor. So we're going to stir this up really, really well. And now we're going to make our drink. Okay, so we're going to rim and you could use a margarita glass if you want. We're just using a cocktail glass here. And we're going to go ahead and rim it with salt. Use the lemon. Some of that good salt on there. Doesn't that look pretty? We're going to add in just a little bit of ice here. Now, I'm going to give this one more mix before we make our drink. We're going to go ahead and pour this over the ice. And then we're going to garnish this with a few cranberries. Sprig of rosemary. And that is Big Daddy's Mistletoe Margarita. Okay, so we got a volunteer here to try this Mistletoe Margarita. Miss Michelle's gonna give it a try and let us know what she thinks of it.
Okay.
Try not to eat the rosemary.
No. I got salt all over me. Actually, that's really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
You like it? Is that a keeper?
It is. I thought it was going to be sweeter with all of that, but it's not overbearing.
Not overbearing?
Not at all.
Good. Well, hey, y'all, give this recipe a try for around the holidays. It'd be a great one to make up as a punch for all your guests. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get you some. Where are you going?
Bye.